and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have another song from Dermot Kennedy. They have a great portfolio from his library, a great artist. So we collect his songs here on Going Guitar. Now we're gonna look into the song called Honest. Okay, so this is a very intense song and powerful, like many times with Dermot's songs. So let's dive into this beauty. We have a capo on second. That's the absolute best scenario for us. 5 chords with that. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F next, which is a bar chord. So you place index finger as a bar on the first fret, all strings there, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. We have C next. So that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Speaking of E, E minor is the next one, so that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so there we have all the chords. We have one main pattern, like 80% of the song or so. It goes A minor, F, C, and E minor. That will be the chord progression. Now let's look into how to handle them. So the strumming is important. We're gonna learn it with the A minor. So it will be a total of 8 downs, 1 strumming around, like this. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is to play on the bass strings, pretty much bass mid area. But on the 5th down, you want to go down to the higher strings to get them incorporated, and that will give us a certain rhythm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so 8 downs is about 1 string around. So what you're going to play here for this main pattern is A minor 2, F2, C2, and E minor 2, like this. Alright. So that is the main part of the song, but then we have some different exceptions from that. Okay, so at 1 minute and 23 seconds in, you're gonna end with that E minor, and then right after that you're gonna play C 4 strumming rounds. So you just stay on that C and play 4 strumming rounds, and then we have all these timestamps I'm gonna mention now for you. Besides from them, you're gonna jump back to the main pattern. It's A minor, F, C, and E minor, just to mention that. But we have different timestamps here. So, like I mentioned, 1 and 23 in, C, 4. That's what you're gonna play there. And then back to main. Okay, and then at 1 and 44, you're gonna play A minor 1, G1, F2, C2, E minor 2. So it's a little bit of a split there between this A minor. We don't have it for 2 times, but A minor 1 and G1, and then it continues in the same way as the main. F2, C2, E minor 2. You're gonna play that for 1 round. Then you're gonna jump back to the main again, and then you're gonna come back to this same chord progression at 2 minutes and 30 seconds in. You're gonna play A minor 1, G1, then F2, C2, E minor 2. This time you're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So 2 rounds of that A minor 1, G1. Then you're gonna jump back again to the main, and then you're gonna finish off with the outro. It starts about 3 minutes sharp. So you're gonna play 1 down now with pauses in between. So you don't hammer on these strumming, these downs. You're gonna play throughout the song. You just go down in tempo now and play 1 down as if you would play the strumming, but you don't. You just play the first down with pauses in between instead. So A minor, F, and now C, and then E minor. You repeat that for a second round, so A minor, and pauses in between. And E minor, and then you end on 1 beautiful down on the C. And that's it, my friend. So, Dermot Kennedy, Honest, that's the song, and that's what you learn. 5 chords only, simple. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped. Next time, play tuned.